Hello students, in this question it is given that find two consecutive positive integers sum of whose square is 365. So first of all we want two consecutive positive integers. So we are going to take the integers as x and x plus 1. So we will first write let the required integers be x and x plus 1. Now in the question it is given that the squares of these two positive integers, if we take their sum, is 365. So we are going to write according to the question x square plus x plus 1 square is equal to 365. Now this x square we will write as it is, and this x plus 1 whole square we are going to expand this using the identity a plus b whole square. So this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is equal to 365. Now this x square plus x square we can combine and we can write it as 2x square. This 2x I am writing as it is, plus 1 also I am writing as it is. 365 I am going to take on the other side and this will become minus 365, that is equal to 0. So this is 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Now we are going to divide this throughout by 2, since we can see that 2 we have here, we have 2 here, we have 364 here. So we can take 2 common, or say we'll divide throughout by 2. So we'll get x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. Now we will solve this using split the middle term method. So we want two numbers whose product is minus 182 and we want sum as 1. So let's see. So I'm just doing some rough work here. 182 I'm going to divide by 2. So we will get 91. Now 91 I can divide by 7. So I'll get 13 here and 13 by itself. So if I combine these two, I take 2 into 7. I'm going to get 14 here and 13 here. So 14 and 13 will give me the product 182. So I want minus 182 as the product. So I will take any one of these negative, either 14 or 13. Now how I'm going to decide this? I want the sum as positive 1. So this 14, the bigger number, I will make positive and the smaller one I will make negative. So finally, this 1x I can write as 14x minus 13x. So this is just for your understanding. So I'll put this in bracket. From here, we will write x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. So we have solved, we are going to solve this using split the middle term. Now combining these two, if I take x common, I'll be having x plus 14 inside bracket. If I take 13 common here, I will again be left with x plus 14 inside bracket. That's equal to 0. Now further, we can take this x plus 14 common. So we will have x plus 14 and then x minus 13 is equal to 0. From here, we can conclude either x is minus 14 or x is 13, any one of these. Now in the question, it was already mentioned that we need two positive integers. So we cannot take minus 14 here because minus 14, it's a negative integer. So we are going to reject x is equal to minus 14. We will then proceed with x is equal to 13. So here x is 13, and since we want two consecutive positive integers, the next one would be 13 plus 1, that's 14. So here we have x plus 1 as 14. So finally we will write the concluding statement. Thus required numbers are 13 and 40.